Hey guys, sorry I haven't posted it much recently. Just life's been chaotic. Decided to try getting back into this, possibly weekly or bi weekly with these unscripted, unedited things. So I decided, why not show what I've been doing? So, this was a Fujitsu Team PoS 3600. Why I got this originally was these standoffs are 100% identical to standard micro ATX. So I knew that I'd have to modify it because the original backplane was just one solid piece of metal. I'm not done cutting it yet, but the main reason I got it is micro ATX and plenty of powered USB ports. If you don't know what powered USB is, it's standard USB at the bottom and a power connector at the top. Very common in retail computers. Not all of them have it, especially like the all-in-ones from Dell. They're just bog standard USB. But this power supply is actually just a standard SFX power supply. I honestly wasn't expecting it to fit mostly so well. I've still got the tiniest amount of dremeling to do right next to the power switch, but the input plug slides right in. And one of the issues I was facing is that is not a standard DuPont connector. So, what I did here was I got it to work with the standard DuPont connectors. Well, 3 of them, of course, but yeah. So, all that's free flow. Oh, crap, I need to figure out where this plugs into. I think it's one of the 5 volts that just... Yep, it is. Sorry about that. But these pins are, as best as I can tell, non-connected. And then all of these are just ground pins. Comes with a standard optical drive, which... Oh yeah, that's one thing I did. Alright, just get it in better lighting. Sorry. I was honestly not expecting this. Originally, it plugged into the motherboard right there, but when I got it, the SATA ports were unpopulated. I got some SATA ports, obviously, but I'm still waiting on delivery of just the power Molex connector. So yeah, modified the motherboard tray, modified this, and oh yeah, I forgot where I set it down, but the I/O panel, it's got one USB port on the front, so having this hub worked out because, alright, it's awkward to unplug, but standard USB cable that I kind of had in spare parts. And I heat shrunk it. Alright, I'll just not properly plug it in for now. But this bottom port, it still had the funky connector. I need help identifying it. But the pinout was 1-to-1 to standard USB, albeit the pinout is correct. The colors are still wonky. And the main reason... Ooh. sorry. The main reason why I got this case is I had both from 5 years ago, a receipt printer and a cash box. So yeah, this printer gets USB data and 24-volt power over one cable. What's nice is I've actually got a cable that splits out to a standard USB-A port and just a barrel jack for 12 volts. And I've got a drawing monitor that I'm eyeballing. Obviously, I'm going to have to save up a few paychecks for it. But I'll be able to have power and USB data for the drawing tablet over one cable. And then, of course, HDMI to the monitor for audio and video. I'm going to be putting a 1050 Ti that I have spare in here. Okay, it's kind of not spare because it's in use right now, but that's because other GPUs are being repaired. But that's beside the point. The point is, I'm designing a portable point-of-sale system so that way, when I'm hopefully able to go to artist alleys and conventions, I can actually have an all-in-one solution to be able to take cash, take cards, and draw all on the same machine. I know, I could have just easily gotten just a square reader and paid with my phone, and just done vector art on my phone, because it's like, yeah. But where's the fun in that, for one thing? And for another, I just don't think that something portable is going to just have enough oomph to be able to draw the vector art for the stickers that I'm working on. Alright, see y'all next week.